Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So in this course, we'll be mainly be learning about Android app development. Nowadays, most of you will be actively digging about this subject in your day-to-day life. That is how to develop the Android applications by yourself. So Android applications, it can be developed in multitude of ways. That is the most native type of Android application development. It is actually based on Java, a programming language. Apart from Java, we have got additional methods like Kotlin, Android app development using Flutter, and so on. But in this course, I'll be teaching you the Android app development using MIT App Inventor. That is a very basic kind of solution for developing the Android applications by yourself. And yes, here also coding is involved, but here we'll be sticking on to a very basic kind of scratch programming interface that can be done by any person in the world. For example, even school students in US, they used to develop robotic content or software programming or even Android application development using this programming interface alone. So let us directly start with our course. In the first week of the course, we'll be learning about the basics of MIT App Inventor, and I'll be showing you the main interface of the MIT App Inventor as well. So basically, MIT App Inventor, it can be run in any PC which is having a minimum of 2 to 4 GB of RAM and also a minimum of Core i3 CPU. Because to use MIT App Inventor, you need not install any additional software or something, but instead you can use your PC's web browser itself. So basically it is a website which is having an interface oriented for Android app development. So you just need to log into the MIT App Inventor's website, and over there you need to create the UI by yourself, and you can code using the Scratch programming interface. So as of now, you may be finding it a bit intimidating, but when we are starting with the course, you will find it to be very easy, and anyone will be able to build their first application within just 1 hour of time if you are following this course content as it is. So that's it. Let us dive into the course.